Alright guys, this is Anthony Distributor Service. Got Dave's truck, 171,000 miles. I think it's a 04. It's got an 04 engine in it, but it's got an 03 ICP sensor in the valve cover, so let's find out. Get some stuff set up here, hang on. Alright, this is a pretty good sign. Anytime at 26, it says ICP regulator, but it's IPR valve. Wiring to the IPR valve, maybe it's unplugged, got a short on it, shorted internally. Normally that's a good sign. We would have low ICP if it was a pump or a normally, but I'm gonna go ahead and clear it and let's see if it comes back. Hang on. All right, cool, came right back, so we don't even really need to start it. We need to go check the wiring, probably chafe wire. Could be a shorted IPR valve, who knows, but normally it's gonna be wiring or it came unplugged or something, who knows. Hang on. All right, here you go. Let's see what ICP volts, 0.26. No way. Maybe that's an O'Reilly's ICP sensor. Probably. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead. Let's keep the key off. Take it back on. Sorry. Here. There you go. Watch Fickum, IPR, ICP. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it builds. If it builds like 200 pounds or something like that, or 190. Here we go. Yep. 290. Look at that. Alright, so a good chance, I mean, we got IPR issues, wiring issues, something like that. With how fast it built up to 200, I don't know. I don't think it's a pump. I don't think so. It's been sitting for a while, so hang on. Alright guys, I need to use my camera on here. I normally use it, but I'm making a video right now, so let's go down in here. Look down in. The screen is stuck inside of the valve of the bore. No, dogleg, long dogleg, long one. So, I'll go down in here and give you guys a look. See if you can see it. I don't know if I can hold it. I don't know if I can hold it down in there to show you. Let's see. Come on. Freaking junk. Nope. Little. There's a little one. Oh, I got a smaller one. Let's see what we can do here. Hang on. Hang on. Yeah, this isn't working. I gotta use the other one. Can't see it. It's right on the. There's indicators on the screen. Yes. Yes. And I can't see over there if I hold it. I'm gonna have to use a different camera. Oh. Hang on. Right there. Let's see if there's two screens in there. I can't see in there good enough with this dumbass camera. This is a different camera that pauses, so the video quality is not as good. Hang on, I gotta use a different one. Let's see what. I don't care. Yeah, we can get the borescope. We gotta change the fitting. Let's see, where'd that screen go? You guys saw it fall out. It fell out somewhere. What the hell is down there? Bolts missing. Bolts falling out. See if I can. Right there it is. See if I can grab it. Hang on. Yep, we got it out. It's 03. Hang on. Alright, here you go. Oh shit, shut that valve. Hang on. Bear with me here. Not sure what. Dang, I gotta watch this. Hang on a second. Oh, yeah, there, right there. Okay, there you go. It's clear. All right, guys, hang on. Okay, we got a broken door handle. That sucks. Damn it. Don't remember I hope it didn't happen here. I don't remember seeing it. I don't know. It sat outside until we got it in here. I hope nobody broke it. I don't know. It sucks. Damn it. Alright guys, here we go. Let's kick it back on. We just put a used IPR valve if this fixes it. But I think we still had a hot nose start on this thing. And we've got a 03 ICP sensor in it. So, but let's just see if it fires up. Let's see, let me show you some numbers. Look in here, IPR, ICP, if it compared to be all right, here we go. Ready? Yep, okay, we got ICP now. So, it didn't want to start very good, so let's kick it off and back on. It should have popped right off. We might have some weak injectors going on here or something. That wrong ICP sensor is killing it too. Put the chatter stop, here we go. Gotta watch for that IPR to go down. Pretty high right now. Needs to be counting down. Actually, doesn't sound real bad right now. It sounds pretty good. Smooth. So, we just did the bare minimum. So right now we need to decide if he wants to buy the used IPR valve or if he wants a new IPR valve. But then we're going to have more diag after this because we have to get it hot and check for the hot nose start. So I'll go ahead and end this right now. We got it running, IPR starting to count down. Download this thing, we'll decide whether we want a new or just this used one. Then we got to take it out, we got to drive it, we got to get it hot, bring it back in, and potentially go right back in for a hot nose start. That sucks, but yeah. All right, I'm gonna go and download it. IPR's counting down a little bit slowly. And get the right ICP sensor in there too. It's got the wrong one. Here, let me show you. Might be an O'Reilly's, who knows. So since we got it running, let's make the calls. All right guys, have a good day.